Hi, good morning. Welcome to our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. It's always great to be here with you. You're wonderful. Okay, what day is it today? Do you know? Today is Friday. That's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. You got it. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of May. We're at the end of May. There's 31 days in May. Can you help me read the date? You can? Okay, come on, let's go. Today is Friday, May 28, 2021. Super! Now, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2, you got it. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. That's right. When it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. That's right. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with the line. Super duper. Okay. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. We have some fun blends today. There's Rosie Rabbit. Hi, Rosie Rabbit. Help me. Ra, re, re, ra, 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 re, re, ra. Super. And there's Sammy Seal. Hi, Sammy Seal. Sa, se, si, sa, sa. Sa, sa, si, se, sa. Awesome. And there's Tony Tiger. Hi, Tony Tiger. Ta, te, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ti, te, ta. Super. There's Victor Vulture. Hi, Victor Vulture. Va, ve, ve, va, va. Va, va, ve, ve, va. And there's Wesley Weasel. Hi, Wesley Weasel. Wa, we, we, wa, wa. Wa, wa, we, we, wa. Whoa, and there's Zuli Zebra. Hi, Zuli Zebra. Za, ze, zi, za, za. Za, za, zi, za, za. Super! You guys are just amazing. Now stop. Look. Listen. We have special sounds. Our orange special sounds. There's 3 letters in this special sound. Okay, you ready to read them with me? 3 R. Stars. Ch. Church. Or. Morning. Ow. Out. 2 sounds. Ow and O. Owl. Bull. Verse. Nurse. Bird. Oi. Coin. Oi. Boy. 2 sounds. And ooh. Whoops. Book and tooth. Worms. Eye. Night. All. Ball. Uck. Walk. Super duper duper. Okay, now, dun 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 dun. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. We're going to do one vowel word cards. When there's one vowel in the word, it usually says the short sound. So we mark it with a happy face. That's right. Can you help me read the words? Awesome. Here we go. Buzz, dug, fun, gum, hug, jump, mud, met, pug, pup, rub, run, sun, tub, bug, bus, super duper duper. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Here we go. 2 vowel word cards. When there's 2 vowels in the word, the first one is long and the next one is silent. Help me read the words. Are you ready? Use, tune, tube, rule, mule, Luke, June, dune, cube, cute, super duper duper. Now stop, look, listen. We have sight words here. Are you ready for the sight words? Look, sight words are words that do not go with the rules. We have to memorize them, okay? Here we go. The, come, the, you, of, I, do, to, the. Super good. You're amazing. Now, look at this special sound. It has 2 special sounds. Ow and O. And we'll just start learning which one is which eventually. So look, let's look at this word. I see 2 special sounds in this word. There's sn, and then there's a special sound O, O-W. If a vowel, like the vowel O, is inside the circle, we do not have to mark it, okay? So let's read this word. Snow. 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 It's snowing. No, it's not, Teacher Christy. Okay, let's do one more. There's only one special sound in this word. Let's circle it. The O is inside the circle, so we do not mark it. Okay? Owl. 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 Okay, super good. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Do you remember this cute little dog? It's a little puppy. A baby dog's called a puppy. His name is Tip, and he was a gift to... what was his name? Oh yeah, for Jack. Jack? Jake, Teacher Christy. Jake. Gotta pay attention. Jake, Jake, Jake. Okay. And now let's turn the page and look, Jake is giving his puppy a hug. And the puppy, Tip, is licking him. Let's see what it says. Look at how cute. Jake will kiss Tip. Tip will lick Jake. Super good reading. Now turn the page. Oh, look, there's the dad and Jake. Jake will hug Dad. Oh, that is so sweet. Okay, that is our story for today. And guess what? We finished the whole book. I do read. That, and you are an amazing reader. Good job. Keep up the good work. Okay, now last but not least, we have our letters book. So let's open up our letters and sounds book. And look, it says letters and sounds, pages 189 through 190. 189. Did you find it? Okay, let's write our names at the top of the page. And it says 1, write the word that best completes each sentence. So a sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a punctuation mark. In this case, they all end in periods. So you know how to read, so you can do this. Number 2 says, circle the special sounds, mark the vowels, and read the words. You've got this. You're amazing. Turn the page. 190. Number 3 says, match the opposites. What are opposites? For example, stop, go. The opposite of stop is go. The opposite of in is out. The opposite of up is down. The opposite of short is long. Okay, super. So you can mark the opposites. They did the first one for us. It says, stop, go. 4, circle the special sounds, mark the vowels, and draw a line to the word that names the picture. So there's 3 things you need to do. Let's review these picture words. Chick, chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. This is a brush, brush. And this is, there's something going up in the air. It's called smoke, smoke. And then I see snow, super. And 5, it says match the rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words have to have the same last sound. Did you watch the song yesterday? There was a pig and he was big. He did a jig and liked to dig. He was a big, big pig. Yes, super. Okay, I'll post it again. Okay, and that is our class for today. I'll see you next week. You guys are amazing. Keep up the good work.